Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. I want to talk to you about lighting in a house today. This is a tri-level 1970s. That's kind of what you'd be Googling, how to get more lighting. And then it's done in March of 2018. So real quickly, we had a ceiling fan right here hung. And unfortunately, we cannot get that covered because there's no attic access. And there are 4 cables coming in, because in the older homes they would run power and switch loop down. The switch leg is right over here on the countertop, so it went down behind the fridge and back up. So that is, unfortunately, we can't get all that inside of the little can makeup, also because we have Lumicon connectors in there as well. So anyways, we came out of there, went to a can light here, new, brought to a can light here and a can light here. That is switched and dimmed here. So they had just a ceiling fan and that was it. They are going to order a pendant here. We're hoping to get a nitro can trim in there, some kind of puck, but it's not going to fit. There's wood in there and there's power in that box too. So we're just going to have to go with a small little dainty pendant there and come back. But anyway, so we got those 3 cans cut in. This is a separate switch leg. There was a swag chain here and they wanted that to go away, and we can dim that also. Now here's the other thing. There was absolutely no lighting over here and no way to get a switch leg. So what I did on the tri-level is I got in the attic, and well, first of all, I came out of this box here in this room, okay? This was not a switch loop. I had a neutral in here. I drilled through, able to do no damage, installed a light right here, came down, gave them a plug, and then from here, we came up with the switch leg and came over. This is the most damage I had because I had to get into here and pull that down and go through there and fish all the way down to the other end. As you can see, we didn't have any damage in this area because the vault in there was about like this. I could not crawl through there, but I could use my fish legs on an EMT conduit and shove it all the way down to get that through. So anyways, we'll have our drywaller come in and patch these 2 patches. Later, they may want to add a can light right here. We did leave a loop there for them and pulled a 14.3 and then a 14.2. So if we did, we can later control that. Now here's what's really neat about the system I put in, is we can screw this right here, is now a 3-way. And so we could screw it right here on the banister and be done. And we can also, well, it dims of course. So this wireless RF creates a 3-way. If I order another one and learn it, I can put it right down there at the bottom of the stairs and have one here, here, up there, and then I can have one right here. So I literally could order 2 more of those, learn it to there, up to 52 of that switch. And now I don't need any wires in order to control that on a tri-level situation. So again, all of this, the cans up here, I forgot to show you that too. We took those out. Those were tracks. And we put these cans in. Now this was where the old track used to be, but I decided to put a hardwired box because I had 5 wires in there as well, and the power was in there feeding the bedrooms. So instead of trying to cut that out and wire it up in the attic, I just put in a smoke detector hardwired there and came over here. Anyway, so hopefully that'll help you out, guys, kind of give you an idea that we got 9 cans cut in here today and very minimal damage. Which was nice because normally I don't have access through a tri-level like that. Thanks guys for joining us. Have a good week.